Okay, more than a few moments later, I managed to get that ring out of there. And once you know it, it went flying straight into my forehead and bounced off into nether regions. And I finally found it. I do have some other spares, but I think they're a little thicker. I would have had to sand it down to get it to fit. So I'm glad I found it. Last place I looked. Glad I stopped looking then. Okay, now I believe we need to remove this ordeal here. I probably don't have the right tools along anymore. Okay, I pulled that out. And now with that snap ring gone, I think I can gently ease it out with this. If not, I will. I don't think I can fit in there. Use the camera as a magnifier, but nope. I don't want to damage that seat in here. So I will need to find a stick. I'll just leave it running. I think I got something. Yes. And back into focus. Here we go. Little bamboo skewer. So you can get more parts to fly everywhere. Yeah, I should have done that on camera. There, everything pops out. Now you got to be careful. A bunch of washers or cup washers in a certain sequence. So let's see if we can get a close up of that sequence. So they're cup beveled washers, and the spring tension they give gives you your regulation. The tighter they are, less pressure it makes actually in your plenum. But we'll take a closer look. Sometimes the seat fails, just maybe dirty. Also this little O-ring right here on top by my fingernails there, that sometimes gives out and lets pressure past. And also this main one here. So we'll cut for now and come back later.